Kia just revealed its biggest, most premium SUV for India, and it launches on September 4th, expected to start around 30 lakh rupees. This is the Sorento, Kia's first hybrid and first three-row petrol SUV in the country, and it's aimed squarely at buyers who would otherwise be looking at the Skoda Kodiaq or the Jeep Meridian. Kia has already shown official images ahead of launch, so let's go through exactly what's confirmed and what's still to be revealed on the 4th. This exact design has been on sale globally since 2023, so it skips Kia's newest, more divisive look from the Seltos, and that's arguably a good thing. You get Kia's signature Tiger nose grille, large vertical LED headlamps with Y-shaped daytime running lights, and a wide front bumper with vertical aero vents. Around back there's a squarish tail lamp with an inverted L-shaped LED signature, a prominent roof spoiler, and a two-tone bumper. Kia hasn't confirmed exact wheel size yet, but the dual-tone alloys look like 19-inch units. At 4,815 mm long and 1,900 wide, this is a proper full-size SUV. Inside, Kia's shown us a connected dual-screen setup for the instrument cluster and infotainment, interestingly, without the third HVAC screen you'd find on the Seltos or Syros, keeping the dashboard cleaner. Exact screen sizes aren't confirmed, but expect 12.3-inch units to match Kia's newer models. The cabin gets a dual-tone black and brown leather interior, soft-touch leatherette on the dash and doors, a wireless charging pad, and a chunky rotary gear selector with a knurled, premium finish. This is also the global debut of Kia's AI assistant. India gets it before anywhere else in the world. Kia's official images show captain seats in the second row, which means both 6 and 7-seat configurations are likely on offer. Those second-row seats appear to be ventilated and slide and recline, genuinely premium for this segment. Other features visible or expected from the reveal: a powered, electrically operated tailgate, dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, a digital inside rearview mirror, and a panoramic sunroof. On safety and convenience, Kia has confirmed ADAS functions will be on board, along with a 360-degree camera setup. Ventilated front seats are also confirmed, and reports suggest they could get a massage function on top trims. A head-up display hasn't been officially shown yet but is widely expected given Kia's other recent launches. This positions the Sorento as a genuinely loaded flagship, not a stripped-down entry into the segment. Now the real headline: Kia's confirmed two powertrains for India, and they're both genuinely significant firsts. The Strong Hybrid, Kia's first ever in India, is a 1.6-litre, four-cylinder unit making 238 horsepower and 380 Nm, and crucially, it comes with all-wheel drive, which no other hybrid in this segment offers. The diesel is a 2-litre unit making 202 horsepower and 441 Nm, the same engine used in the Kia Carnival. Both are expected to pair with automatic gearboxes only, no manual option. On price, nothing is official until September 4th, but with production already underway at Kia's Anandpur plant and high levels of local manufacturing, expectations are landing around 30 to 35 lakh rupees ex-showroom, competitive for a three-row flagship with this feature list. Kia is positioning the Sorento against the Skoda Kodiaq, Volkswagen Tayron, and Jeep Meridian, and unofficial bookings have already been open since July, which tells you Kia expects strong early demand. That's everything Kia has revealed about the Sorento ahead of its September 4th launch, a hybrid AWD flagship with genuine segment firsts, based entirely on Kia's own official reveal images, not spy shots or guesswork. We'll be back the moment pricing and the full spec sheet go official. Would you cross-shop this against the Kodiaq or the Meridian? Let us know in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss the follow-up.